Hi everyone, Irene's here again. For today's video, I will be preparing 5 to 6 dishes, excluding the boiled rice. Maybe you are wondering why I am preparing much today, because we have a gathering here in our house, a lunch buffet for my father's birthday. Today, I will be grilling fish, boiling pasta and rice, more frying, and most of all, sauteing. My target time for doing all this stuff is more or less 2 hours. I do not know if I can make it, but I try my best to do it. Right after the cooking all those stuff will be the garnishing, the plating, and of course the presentation at the buffet table. The foods that I'm going to prepare are lumpia Shanghai. Then we have the broiled fish, sweet and sour fish. I will be preparing also shrimp adobo, the native chicken adobo, and of course we have one pasta, which is the spaghetti. So that is around 6. So my technique for that is you should be systematic in your way of preparing those foods so you can finish it on time. So let's not wait any longer. Let's begin. Okay, so the materials are already here, the ingredients that you are going to prepare, the vegetables, the spices, and the pasta. So while waiting for your fish to defrost, and so with this one to defrost, the lumpia, you have to prepare first the pasta. So para walang masayang sa oras. Okay, so Another recipe down. Marinate my chicken. Flavored it. Magic sarap. Chili. Wow, it's done. Another dish down. Okay. With garnish. Okay. Another recipe down. I'm already done. This is sweet and sour fish. This is my lumpia Shanghai, chicken adobo, pork paklay, and of course, the main course is the lechon. So this is now the lechon. Crispy. Garden salad, the dressing of my garden salad. Of course, the delicious shrimp adobo. This is a pandan maha, kutsinta, then butter cake, slices of butter cake, the spaghetti, and the cake. The celebrator, my father.